Hey Facebook, if you're new to my channel, my name's Emma, and today I thought I'd do a video of what we do when it's raining in a caravan. As you could imagine, when it's raining and you're in a caravan with two kids, it's not that great. Some people would call it torture, but we always find something awesome to do. So we normally get out to a cafe, grab a coffee, have lunch, do something like that, even if it's raining. We don't tend to hang around and wait to see if it stops raining because, as you know, we're travelling around Australia and rain could go on for days. So this is what we get up to today. I hope you enjoy.
Do you know where the sun is?
Put some shoes on because it's cold. Jacket on.
You look like a Russian, Emma. Your legs are brown as, but you got the jacket on.
Are you wearing a jacket, Penelope? With a dress? They're good?
The soy baby, you know.
Yeah. Hello. Oh my God, how gorgeous. Hello. Am I going over there? Nice place for the night. That's how the kids entertain themselves in the car. Sweet. both kids are asleep, which is pretty common when we drive around the midday. So I think we're going to leave them in here because it's really cold and our car's parked right by our caravan, and I'm going to go and make them some lunch so when they wake up they have some food. So while the kids sleep, I'm going to make some corn fritters, which is really easy to do in a caravan. So I've done the corn fritters. I'm just about to fry them up and let them cool down, and then when the kids wake up there'll be some food for them. So let's go. Please ignore all my dishes. I will be cleaning them later. There we go. Corn fritters done. I think I'll just add some fruit to the plate, maybe some cheese, and then we'll set up the table, and when they wake up they can eat. So on rainy days like this, well actually it's not too bad outside. I can see, look at this, people playing bowls outside. It's way nicer here than it was in Southwest Rocks. So I really need to do the dishes because we haven't done them since last night, and that's pretty gross for us. We try and do them definitely at night, but we wanted to go out for a walk up to Woolworths to get some mangoes for breakfast. So that was priority. So I'm going to do the dishes, and then kids are going to come in and eat. Here we go. Water on. We've got to turn the water pump on. Always forget to turn the water pump on. So dishes are done. These are a lot of dishes for our standard. Probably 80% clean because I forgot to turn the hot water on, and that takes about 15 to 20 minutes to heat up, and I'm not waiting for that. I wanted to get them done while the kids are asleep, and yeah, I don't want to run the water to get all the bubbles out of the sink so they will just disappear. So I've just realised that I need to go over to the Nambucca Bowls office to pay for our next night for $5, so that's what I'm going to do now. So guess what? I don't need to pay tonight. So when we paid $5 for our first night, we actually became members of the Bowls Club. So if we come back within a year, we can stay for free. So $5 for as many nights as you like. I think there's a 24-hour max, but they said we could stay a few more nights. So we're going to stay another night for $5. Like, that's a deal. So I'm going to go check on the kids because I think I can hear one screaming, which is probably Levi. Penelope's doing some painting. Look at the beautiful colours. What are you painting, Penelope? Levi's found his helmet because he wants to go for a bike ride. Later. Yeah? Put it on your head, Levi. Put it on your head. Daddy's doing some juicing. What juice are you making, Daddy?
Really hydrating watermelon and lime.
Probably won't be allowed any of that. We thought we'd brought oranges, and Mark went to make an orange juice, and we were like, oh, no, we didn't buy them because they were way too expensive. Yum.
This is so yum. It's like diving into a freshwater lake. That's how it makes you feel on the inside. It's just...
So Mark juices Who's juice most of the day except dinner.
Yeah.
And we always try and steal his juice, well the kids do because they love it. How's it going? I'm going to put some more water on it. And I might tackle the disgusting bathroom. I don't know if you can see, but it's like really dirty. Really, really dirty because the kids pretend that this is their office when it's a toilet. Oh no. And they hide in there. So actually it's not too bad, but it needs a bit of a wipe down. It's pretty tiny. And now that Penelope uses the toilet all by herself, it needs a bit of a clean sometimes, you know. So that's what I'm going to do now. Penelope's pushing his stroller. Say hello. Oh, it's starting to spit. Boys are playing kicks. Go Levi! Whoa, go! Oh no. Who's gonna get it?
Ah, Levi got it.
Do this kind of stuff a lot at camps, just like when we're not out. So I've just sat down after cleaning the bathroom and cleaning up after the kids' lunch. Mark's just outside playing ball with them, but it's just started to completely bucket down. I don't know if you can see, so they've escaped into the bowling club. And I'm not too sure when they're coming out, so I'm just enjoying the quiet because that doesn't happen that much. So our plan was to go out on some bikes or go to the park, but I don't know if we're going to do that. Hopefully it clears because it's about 5 hours to their bedtime and we have to find something to do because we're not sitting in a caravan this whole time. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is just a glimpse into what we do on a rainy day. Honestly, every day is different, raining or shine, but generally on a rainy day we do still try and get out. Because look, you can just put your jacket on. The kids honestly don't care if it's raining. They do not care if it's wet. They go straight for the puddles. So as long as they're happy, we normally try and get out. It might be to a cafe for a coffee. It might be to go out for lunch. Libraries are really awesome. Malls if you need to do some shopping. But normally they have an inside playground, so we've done that a few times. But you'll notice on a lot of YouTube traveling videos, sometimes it appears like it is beautiful sun, views, all the amazing things day in and day out. And honestly, 80% of the time it's like that when you're in the sun. The other 20% is just the normal stuff that you would do at home, but we're in a really small home. We really appreciate now how much sun we had when we were up in Queensland. So from the end of August till, I don't know, beginning of January, we had sun day after day after day. Like you would never wake up thinking that it would not be sunny. I think we had 2 days of rain in Maryborough and a sprinkling at the end when we left Cairns, and that was the last time we had rain. And yeah, since we started travel again, it has been raining and it has been cold. So I found the kids in the bowling club up in the kids area, which is actually really, really awesome. I've got lots and lots of toys and a TV, which we don't have in the caravan, so Penelope's eyes are like locked on it, so we might turn that off in a minute. Levi's found, what have you found? You've found some drink cards. Looking a bit tired, are you having a rest? It's nice to have a big couch. So now it's about 3:45 and we're just having some afternoon tea. We didn't end up going for a ride because it just really bucketed down. And we're having heaps of fun at the bowling club in the play area. And then we also realised that we needed to fill up on water because we were down to the red. So one of those other boring things that are good to do on rainy days. And Penelope, what are you having for afternoon tea? And what's in it? Dates. And what else? Yes. Should we show them? So we made some yummy bliss balls recently. They're really easy things to have in a caravan. Good for snacks. I just put some cacao, dates, cocoa, what else? Peanut butter and some walnuts I had left over from Christmas, I think. So they are really delicious. Penelope loves them, Levi not so much. So it's a really good yummy afternoon tea. We've finally been able to get out of the caravan as it's finally stopped drizzling and take the kids down to the park after dinner. It's about 6:30 now. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what we do in a caravan on a rainy, drizzly day. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.